Okay, there are going to be times within your automation process where you need to verify that a worksheet is created in Excel before you make other decisions, like trying to write to it or something like that. This isn't so much of an issue with the table functions in NitroCell, but for more of the legacy functions, it's important. So I'm going to create a sheet here called sheet, my sheet, and then we're going to write another sheet called results. And this the sheet that we've just created here is the one we're going to be kind of paying attention to for our testing. So to test if that sheet exists, we can simply come in and say sheet name exists, and all it requires is the name of the sheet. So if I type in my sheet, then we want to write to a target worksheet, which is results in this case. I need that to go to, let's say, B5. You can also write this to the register and make it more of an inline process for evaluation. So if I run this, you could see that it is, we know this sheet exists, so we should see it true right here, which is what we do get. And that's actually a Boolean within or within Excel, so it makes it easy. If we put in another name like my sheet 2 and run that, you can see that the results are false. So this is just a very handy function for determining if you have to create sheets or write sheets or write data to a particular sheet. Uh, Typically, within most automations, it's a known thing that the sheet's already there. This function is just here for more kind of dynamic use cases. And again, if you're using NitroCell table functions, you typically aren't going to need this function to be called.